made it on top of the mountain. Let's go check this thing out. This view is amazing. This is just so cool because the clouds are blocking the ocean over there. Way over there is the California coastline. And man, this is a pretty high mountain. I'm surprised how quickly we got up it. So driving it, the car turns in excellently. It feels like it turns in just as good as my GT350R, which is a pretty strange thing to think about because this is not a light car at all. This weighs over 4,000 pounds. I believe with a full tank, it's like 4,180 pounds. And the track pack should be roughly, I think, 4,080, probably around that range. The car itself, though, mid-corner, you don't feel very much body roll at all. Actually, I don't feel any body roll, which is very shocking to me. The MagneRide is tuned so well, especially in track mode, that it just absorbs all the bumps and you feel like you're in control at all times. Even with the brake feel, you can easily trail brake this into any corner and it'll rotate the entire car. It just feels like it is made to be a track car, which at the same time, for going 10.6 and a quarter mile, I don't know how it does it. So this is gonna be, in my opinion, probably the best all-around Mustang you could get if you're not just track focused, or if you have a GT350 and you've always told yourself, well, maybe I can have a bit more power. This completely fulfills that, and it's not like the power is unusable. This is full throttle, and the car itself, you don't lose traction. Well, when you do, the traction control itself completely makes the car so tidy that you're not going to go anywhere. The car is always going to be aimed perfectly straight or wherever you have the wheel turned. I don't know how to put it because the base model GT500 feels way faster than my GT350R. My R has carbon fiber wheels. This is the base model with the handling pack, and it feels just as good as a track car. And it weighs much more, a few hundred pounds more. Compared to the R, it just feels like the same exact car I have, but just brought up to the next level, if that is even possible. It's just so confidence inspiring. I don't know what else I can ask from it. And getting back on throttle, it's just so linear that it doesn't just come up on you and punch you. You feel like it's very progressive. I noticed when I was driving this car spiritedly that I never moved the position of my hands. They always stayed right here next to the paddles. The DCT works perfectly. I feel like it's just what you want if you want to go fast. If you want to go to the racetrack, the second you want to do anything, it'll do it for you. Now with manually shifting, you got to take your hand off the wheel and spend the time shifting the gear lever and also putting the clutch. With this, no. All you got to do is hit one button and instantly you're in the next gear, especially with downshifting, because with the R, I have to worry about rev match downshifting. With this, it's all automatic again. It feels like a track car. So if you got the track pack, I can't imagine how much further it's going to take it. It's going to feel like an all-out supercar probably. The base model GT500 is by no means, it doesn't feel like a base model anything. This is my first time ever taking this car to the corners, basically. When I was driving across the country, it was all really just flat roads, freeways, and when I've had it here, it's been just city driving. Again, it's my first time really cornering this car. I would recommend it over a GT350R. I would, depending on what your mindset is. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. It really does help me out. And subscribe for much more great Shelby videos coming your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode.